Congratulations, Aditya's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Gayan. I have a few questions to ask you all, Aditya and Mummy and Daddy, for the benefit of all the students of Thakur Public School and all the other students who will benefit from your success story. Aditya, your achievement at the age of 14 or 15, was it as per your dream, as per your imagination, or was it much beyond that?
To be true with you, my achievement was much beyond that, as I did not expect to secure an All India Rank 3.
How was your journey? You have been with Thakur Public School right from nursery till standard 10. Just tell us, how was your journey all these years here?
It was a really nice journey with TPS. TPS helped me to gain huge chunks of knowledge and also helped me to make a huge amount of friends.
Who is your role model?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is my role model.
आदित्य बाकी बच्चों से अलग था कि नहीं? अगर था तो कैसा था?
हालांकि था कि 2 साल के बाद ही मेरे को पता चला वो थोड़ा अलग है, क्योंकि वो उस कभी भी वो पेन पेंसिल से ABCD लिखा ही नहीं है। मैंने उसको आटा गूंद के ऐसा गोल गोल करके देता था, तो वो ऐसा करके लंबा लंबा करके ABCD सीखा ऐसा ही। तो एक दिन खाता पेन दिया तो ऐसा ही वो ABCD पूरा कंप्लीट कर दिया। तो उसका प्ले ग्रुप में ये 1 से 10 तक टेबल हो गया, हिंदी का भी हो गया ऐसा। तो इसीलिए मेरे को जो देता था वह ये पोएम याद करने के लिए 2 बार बोलता था तो उसका हो जाता था। तो इसीलिए मेरे को उस टाइम ही 2 साल से ही मेरे को पता चल गया जो ये लड़का थोड़ा अलग है, भाई इसमें थोड़ा कुछ है। तो इसीलिए हम लोग ऐसा अच्छा स्कूल टूल चुना है।
थैंक यू मिसेस गयान। सर, आपका TPS का राय क्या है?
TPS का राय बोलेंगे तो TPS बहुत ही अच्छा स्कूल है, क्योंकि मैंने जब इसको एडमिट करेंगे बोल के इधर आया था, यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है, जो एक एजुकेशन क्लाइमेट, ये मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। वो हिसाब से मैंने लड़का को TPS में डाला है। अगर मेरे को अभी लग रहा है जो TPS में मैं नहीं डाला होता, शायद मेरा बच्चा आज ये पोजीशन नहीं कर सकता है। ये मेरे को अभी मैं TPS के लिए बहुत ही प्राउड फील कर रहा हूँ।
ओके, अभी आदित्य बोर्ड के लिए उसने जो प्रिपरेशन किया है, थोड़ा उसके बारे में बता दीजिए।
वो बोर्ड का प्रिपरेशन बोलेंगे तो देखिए, वो नॉर्मली जो पढ़ाई करता है ऐसा ही कंटिन्यू करता था, लेकिन वो उसका एक चीज़ ये था जो वो कभी आधा अधूरा पढ़ाई नहीं छोड़ता था। जो उनको कंप्लीट करना है तो कंप्लीट करना ही है। अच्छा, वो भी टाइम टू टाइम। उसको टीवी भी देखना है तो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे, भूख भी लगता है तो मामी को चिल्लाता है खाना उसी टाइम में चाहिए। तो ये उसका एक नेचर है। और बाकी वो कंटिन्यू वो जो पढ़ाई में उसका जो फोकस था, वो मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा लगा। जो लड़का आज जो प्रोग्रेस किया है, इसके पीछे उसका खुद का भी काफ़ी सारे ये है। प्रिपरेशन जो भी बोर्ड का एग्ज़ाम हुआ है, उसमें उसका तैयारी मतलब 100% सही था। उसको कभी बोलना नहीं पड़ता था, पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो पढ़ाई करो।
Arnab, you're Aditya's younger brother, right? How do you bond with him?
It is like we are friends. Whenever I have any doubt, he solves it, and we fight a lot.
Oh, that is really nice. Arnab, Aditya has been an inspiration for you in spite of all the fighting?
Yes.
Yes? How?
Ma'am, whenever he does anything, he gives his full focus on the task he is doing.
Aditya is very good child. He is very sincere and obedient. He is hardworking and inquisitive. Every after the lecture, he would first verify and then only he move ahead. He was always interested in the application of all the aspects which he has done in the class.
Aditya for me is an all-rounder, good in academics, as well as he has a great knowledge about Indian culture, current affairs, and I remember during my online class, especially during assembly period, we used to have interactive class because of Aditya.
Aditya was a very regular child. He was regular in his studies and focused. He practiced his languages regularly, was attentive during the classes, and was also attentive to all the explanations that were given, all the instructions that were given about how to attempt a paper, what things one needs to take care of while attempting a paper.
I've known Aditya since 4 years, and one thing I've noticed from him is that he is dedicated and focused, and once he decides his target, then he completes it and then only moves on to the other target. He never leaves any of his target unachieved.
So I've been knowing Aditya since the 4th standard, so it's been 7 years that I've known Aditya. Like, we have been very good friends in like 4th standard. So I don't need to tell anything new about how good he is in studies. I mean, the result speaks for itself. But what I would tell about Aditya in one word is that he's extremely helpful. So that's 3 words, but I need to emphasize like how much he helped me especially during this lockdown period when I faced a lot of difficulties and struggled a lot due to the online studies. And there was always Aditya to help me. Like, whenever I called him and asked him doubts, he was always like, even before the day of the exam, he always used to help me a lot.
I have known Aditya way back from 5th standard when we were just puny little individuals waiting for this entire world, the entire majestic world to behold. The most important qualities I have always seen in Aditya is his idiosyncratism and him being always consistent, hardworking, dedicated and perseverant as always. Well, I have been a little cantankerous and a little exasperating sometimes, but Aditya has always helped me in the entire phase of my life.